Okay, Piper, can you show us how you ride your bike?
You know what Mario said when he kicked his tire? You know what Mario said when he kicked his tire?
What does Mario say?
So, here I go. Look at me.
Yes, we see you. Hi, sweetie. You're doing a great job.
Did you record us?
You learned how to ride a tricycle.
Mom, look at me. Mom, look at me.
Yes,
Not looking at me.
I am looking at you through the camera.
Can I see, Mom? Can I see?
And this is why we bring down property values in our neighborhood. Ooh! Ooh!
Cool. Cool.
Piper, can you wave to the camera?
What?
Can you wave?
Here you go.
Thank you.